Imagine stepping into a medieval fairy tale where history, culture, and nature blend seamlessly. Welcome to Potes, a hidden gem in Cantabria, Spain. Nestled in the heart of the Picos de Europa National Park, Potes is surrounded by breathtaking landscapes and majestic mountains, making it a paradise for nature lovers. The town's rich history dates back to the Roman period, with its medieval architecture reflecting its past as a strategic stronghold for the Kingdom of Leon. Wander through the narrow streets of Potes' historic old town, where traditional houses and buildings from the 16th century tell stories of a bygone era. At the heart of the town lies Plaza Mayor, home to the Torre del Infantado, a fortified tower that now houses the town's museum, offering a glimpse into Potes' storied past. Potes comes alive with vibrant festivals, like the Fiesta de la Cruz in May, celebrating the town's Christian heritage with parades, concerts, and traditional dances. No visit to Potes is complete without indulging in its local gastronomy. Savor the hearty cocido lebaniego stew, paired with local bread and the strong spirit orullo. For adventure seekers, the Picos de Europa National Park offers a range of activities, from hiking the stunning Ruta del Cares to mountain biking and skiing. Don't miss the Puente de San Cayetano, an elegant 18th century stone bridge that spans the Deva River, offering stunning views of the surrounding countryside. Potes is Spain's hidden gem, waiting to be discovered. Its rich history, cultural heritage, delicious gastronomy, and stunning natural beauty make it a must-visit destination. Ready to explore?